Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be filming a what I eat in a day as a vegan on Slimming World. So if you want to see what meals I've had today, then keep on watching. So for breakfast I just had, it's become quite a habit, just having 2 Weetabix, a banana and soy light milk. So that's using my Health Extra B, 1 Health Extra A and bananas a free food. It is currently 2:20. I am having a late lunch. I don't start work till 6 at night today. I'm only doing a little hour shift today. So I'm having a late lunch so that I can just have my dinner straight after I get home. I'm just letting my hair air dry so it looks a bit frizzy, and I've not got any makeup on today yet. But anyway, the recipe for lunch is a garlic chicken and rice soup. It's from, I saw in Elle Darby's vlog, but it's from the Pinch of Nom, the new recipe book. So I just screenshotted that and wanted to try it. So I think I'm going to buy that book actually, because a lot of it I think can be veganised and it's Slimming World friendly. So I'm going to heat up that and show you it downstairs. Pretty sure it is free on Slimming World. I used Quorn vegan pieces and the like grilled chicken. It's got a little bit of paprika through it, so I think it'll be nice. I've tasted it a little bit last night when I made it. I think it'll be good. So that's what's for lunch. I'm so tired today. I've been struggling today. Just spent like 2 hours organising the rabbit's cage in their area and just clearing stuff out. I've got like 5 bin bags full of junk that I need to clear out, and yeah, it's just been one of those kind of days. And I decluttered all my makeup the other day, so it's looking a lot better. My desk is still messy, but it's a lot more organised than it was, so I'm happy about that. But anyway, I'm going to heat up my soup and I will show you in a little second. So here is the soup. It's kind of turned into like a risotto consistency, but it tastes amazing. Sorry, my washing machine's on. But it tastes really good. Doesn't look appetising, but I'm going to enjoy that. And that one's for Ryan. Hi everyone, it's a bit later on. I think it's just after 7. I finished work and I just got home. I was going to go to the gym, but I just couldn't be bothered, and when I was showering my service user I got my feet wet. I didn't want to go to the gym with soggy feet, so I just came home and I'm going to do an at-home workout instead. Something to do with abs because I really want to work those. So I'm going to YouTube an ab workout and do that. And then just when I got in the door I opened a packet of these and had done. These are 3 sins each, I'm pretty sure, for pickled onion space raiders. So sins today are 3 sins, and I'm not as hungry as I thought I would be at this time. I do need to wait on Ryan coming back from the gym before I have dinner, so I've had a little snack and I'm going to drink more of my water. This is on my second one of the day. I've been trying to have 2 of these a day. Yesterday I managed to have about 3, which is really good. They are 750ml, so compared to, I would go days without having any water, so I'm doing better this week of drinking 2 a day. So yeah, I am gonna go and I will come back to you after when I've got my dinner cooking. So guys, that is our dinner. That one's mine, that one's Ryan's. I have got salad here, lettuce, cucumber, tomato, red onion with a tablespoon of the Aldi dressing for half a sin, air fried fries which are free, and the lasagna is 4 sins for the white sauce, and the mince tomato based sauce is free on Slimming World. And I've got some Dyer cheddar farmhouse block grated on top, but I've not had my second Healthy Extra A yet today, so I'm going to count that towards that. So yeah, can't wait to dig in. 4.5 sins for the whole dish. Hi everyone, so it's a little bit later and I'm just in bed. It's like actual bedtime. It is just after 11 at night and I'm in bed just on my laptop, winding down. Ryan's still downstairs playing his Xbox, but dinner was really good, and I did my ab workout, so my stomach is killing me right now, and my arms as well, because we had to do planks. But yeah, I'm happy with today, ending on 7.5 sins, 2 healthy extra A's, or like 1.5 because of the cheese wasn't the full 40 grams, and 1 hex B. So yeah, that is all I'm going to eat today. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe down below if you haven't already. It would mean a lot to me. And yeah, I will see you all in my next video. Bye.